I didn't get to finish my last video I was recording, so I'm gonna extend it. I'll post 2 videos today. I wanted to show y'all this. This is an old aquarium and stand I had in the house that was kind of in the way. So I brought it out on my patio. I just got a couple of plants up here. And this, I don't know if you can see it. It'll adjust. This is a rock I drilled a hole into the back of, and then one in the top, so water runs down it from a small pump I have in it. This is a cabinet I built out of fence posts. Kind of got covered in junk right now. It's got 2 doors, a little storage inside. Got a drawer in the bottom. Storage. Good place to keep your gardening supplies. Dog tig. Ferns I got going. This is a aquaponic system I had set up in the house. Kind of tore it down, moved it outside. I was going to set it up out here, but haven't got around to it. That's the grow bed for it. My rain barrel. Got a submersible pump I can drop inside of it, pump my water out. That's pretty good. And that's it. Please leave comments and like my videos if you like them. Thank you.